1996 engine, VS Racing S480, 1.10 AR turbine housing, 3-piece manifold, fully ported and polished cylinder head. .215 HP injection pump. It has 025 delivery valves, a Mac plug, fully modified AFC housing. It has 5K governor springs, refrigeration lines for all the boost reference and drive pressure. You have a boost reference line going into the cab. It's going into a gauge, and then an air pressure regulator going back to the injection pump for load control, horsepower control. It has a Hamilton cam 188 220 stage 4 dynamite diesel injectors. This Keating machine rocker cover is actually a structural piece, as it ties all the rocker pedestals together so they're not just flopping with the high spring pressure. It's got performance valve, conical valve springs with titanium retainers. It's got ARP 625 head studs with a multi-layered steel gasket, ARP rod bolts, and main studs. Sir, had to cut a little bit of the fender out to get that to fit. Fully custom fuel system. Had to notch the cylinder head right here. It's a A1000 fuel pump. Going into a filter, little bracket on the frame rail, water separator, and then it runs forward. Fills up the injection pump. And then instead of an overflow valve, it's going to a regulator with a pressure transducer. And then the injector return comes into this T. And I drilled and tapped for that banjo bolt for the return line back to the tank. Hydro boost brakes. It has one battery relocated to the rear. Battery hot from the alternator, runs around, and it goes down to the starter. Runs from the starter up to the battery to charge it. It has a custom made plate to get rid of the shock tower, so I was allow that 90 to fit right there.